So how do you stay the course and stay consistent and stay focused even when it's hard? If you struggle with keeping on track, maybe starting and stopping more than you know you should, and you're looking for a way to finally get focused so that you can start hitting your goals, in this video, what I want to do is I want to share 3 powerful tips that just might help you finally break through once and for all. So if you are wondering how can you still push through even on those days where you just don't feel like it, then keep on watching. Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and after sponsoring hundreds of people online using video marketing, my personal branded website, and sales funnels that continue to sell for me even when I'm not on my computer, I'm here to teach you how you can attract high quality targeted leads that actually want what you have to offer without feeling like a pushy salesperson. And so today, in today's video, it's actually inspired by a comment that was left on one of my posts on Facebook. And it's about the struggle of continuing forward and being consistent and being focused and staying the course when you're trying to achieve these goals, but you have all kinds of stuff coming at you and you don't know how to stay on track with why you started in the first place. So if you want to know my take on it, plus 3 pieces of wisdom that just might help you, then let's dive into the content. Well, in this video, we're going to be a little bit more casual because I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This is a topic that I can totally relate to. Not every day is going to be a good day. Not every week is going to be a good week. But here's the thing, days and days and weeks start to add up. So whether you're taking action and moving forward or not taking action at all, you are going to have some result. And so we want to definitely be more equipped to deal with those struggles that are going to inevitably come up inside of our businesses. Case in fact, these last 3 weeks, I've had a lot of challenges in my business. And even though it has been really stressful for me, at the same token, I try to get outside of the situation and see, well, how can I use this experience to help me grow? And so by looking at the challenges in a different way, helps me realize that, okay, this is just part of the journey and it's just something I'm going through and I will overcome it and I will get on the other side of it and I will become a better person. I will have a new skill set. I will be able to solve a problem in a different way that I didn't know before. So nothing is wasted and everything is fine. Everything is great. And now I'm in a different place. But to be honest, because of the challenges that I was having, I fell behind in filming and preparing my content for my channel. So what I personally do when I feel stuck or off track is I just step away from everything for a minute, right? And I start to really think about what drives me, my why. And anyone who knows me knows how important my kids are to me. They are my why. They are my driving force. They are the reason that I learned to do video marketing. They're the reason that I build funnels. They're the reason that I use my website to tell and sell and sort and have like a place of my own on the internet to build my business. They are the reason behind everything. They are my why. And if I were to quit on my dream, I'm quitting on them. When you connect with your why and why you're doing this, that will fuel your purpose to keep showing up, to learn the new skill, to make the decision, to do what you have to do in order to keep driving forward. Once you get to the deep part of why you're doing this, that will be your fuel to keep you focused. So I want to give you 3 powerful tips for staying focused and consistent. So once you have established your why and you know, like, no matter what, I've got to learn the thing, I've got to do the thing, I've got to keep showing up because my little boys are worth it. And let me just say one more thing. That little boy or girl, when you were a child, that little boy and girl is worth it. I don't want to get too deep in this video, but it's that little child inside you as well that knew that they could do this, that knew they were meant for more. You're doing it for that little girl or guy as well. All right. So yeah, it goes a lot deeper. But yeah, so what I want to do is I want to share 3 powerful tips to help keep you focused and consistent outside of establishing your why. Now, the first thing is I want you to know that if you're feeling this way, you are not alone. All right. Now, it took me a long time to finally have a breakthrough. If you look at that picture that I posted, I'll have it right here on the screen. The middle one, the middle child, okay, he's not the middle child. He's just the one in the middle. My middle child is the one that's yawning. That middle boy, when I first got started, he was sitting on my lap in a diaper. He was around 2 years old. I've been working on this since then. And so, like I said, I couldn't quit on them. So I had to keep on improving myself and learning and showing up and being focused, no matter how hard it was. And I just had to keep on showing up. I had to do it for my kids. Number 2, set small, achievable goals so that you can feel accomplished at the end of the day. So I'm a to-do list girl. I have a list of like 3, 4, maybe 5 things I need to do on a daily basis. And I just check them off. And at the end of the day, I got those things done and I feel accomplished. A big mistake that a lot of us do when we get online to start a business or join affiliate opportunity or a network marketing opportunity is that we just kind of like shoot for 6 figures straight out the gate. And it doesn't work that way. You cannot get to 6 figures until you hit a consistent smaller amount on a monthly basis. So for me, what I call that is hitting your financial alleviation goal first. Now, I do talk about hitting your financial alleviation goals inside of my upcoming Speed Sponsoring Secrets course, which I will be releasing very, very soon. So make sure to stay tuned. But inside of that course, I talk about how to hit your financial alleviation goal first, which is a micro goal. It's a micro amount. It's achievable. It's doable. It's realistic. So that when you do hit that small goal, let's say 500, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I'm so motivated. Because what's going to happen is if you try to shoot for 6 figures and all you made was 500, you're going to feel defeated. You're going to feel like I want to quit. And so I've had people tell me that their income goals are 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 1,000. I would say figure out what is the smallest achievable goal that will create that feeling that, okay, I'm making progress without overwhelming yourself, feeling that the pressure of having to make 6 figures because it can take time. So again, set small, achievable goals so that you can achieve them quickly and pat yourself on the back. And number 3, find a support system of not just like-minded individuals, because sometimes I made this big mistake. I would just join groups of people that were trying to make money or trying to hit 6 figures and stuff like that. And then I realized the more I tried to relate to these people, I didn't really have anything in common. So I would challenge you to actually be a part of a support group or a coaching group of people who share the same values as you, not just the same goals. 2 people can have a goal to earn 6 figures, but they have a completely different core value and path of how they're going to get there. Now, if you don't have a support group like that, then you might want to go to my website over at www.risemarketinganddesign.com and get on the waitlist. I'm about to open my Rising Stars group coaching program, where we are going to have an amazing group of individuals who are passion-driven, purpose-driven, who know they're meant for more, who want to do something meaningful, impactful, and build a super cool business online while they're having fun, learning the technology, getting deep into the mindset stuff. If you want to be part of that type of environment and you're not connected with a group already that you love, make sure to go to my website and click on the waitlist link to learn more about it. So hopefully this video is helping you so far. If it is, make sure to give me a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you know anyone who is struggling with being focused, consistent, and staying the course, and maybe they need to hear this video, please make sure and share it with a friend. And by the way, if you want to check out my last video where I talk about how to write better copy just by being more conversational and being more true to yourself and using some really cool tools to help you actually test headlines and things like that, then I will have that video over here or in the end screens right after this one. So make sure after you watch this video to go check that one out. All right, guys and gals. So now that we're at the end of the video, I have a confession to make. This is the second time I filmed this video. I filmed the video one time, and when I looked at the playback, I realized my microphone wasn't on. And I had a decision to make. Do I just upload my video with terrible audio? Do I just scrap the whole thing and call it a day? Or do I sit back down, remember why I started, and just start all over again and see what happens? And I chose number 3. So all that to say, if you're struggling to come up with content, if you're struggling with the tech stuff, if you're struggling with focus, if you're struggling to stay consistent, if you got shiny object syndrome, know that we've all been through it. You're not alone. But you can't stay there too long. You've got to remember your why, get back on track, and keep moving forward. Because the clock is ticking, my friends. And if you're going to pass the time, you might as well do it figuring it out. So remember, write down your why, have faith, stay focused, and take massive action. Because someone out there needs you to show up to deliver your message in only a way that you can, even if it's imperfect. Well, that's it for me today, guys and gals. I hope that this video touched, moved, and inspired you into action. If you're having any challenges right now, I would love to hear about it. If you want to go ahead and put them down in the comments, I read my comments. I want to engage with you guys in the comments. So maybe I can help you address it in a future video. So make sure to leave your comments right below this video. All right, guys and gals. Well, hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.